We're at my grandma and grandpa's farm, and up there is an owl house. This owl box has a barn owl living in it, so we need to be quiet. And this is the branch they land on, and we're going to see if we can see any owl pellets, and if we do, we're going to do an owl pellet dissection. Be careful, I don't step it. Ooh, here's one. You can see a bone in this. Right there, and like everywhere you can see a bone in this. By doing this, you can see when owl's been eating, and you can do it dry, but it's a bit easier to do it wet, and you need to soak it overnight if you do it wet. In goes the water. Let's go and put this somewhere safe, and we'll check it in the morning. It's been 24 hours since we got the owl pellet, and for that 24 hours it's been soaked. Now let's break it apart and see what animal it's been eating. This is mostly fur, but there's also some bones and teeth. We've got all the major bones out. We're going to identify the skulls as we got 3, and then have a little wash up. Let's put these bones in a bleach solution so we can wash them up. We found 3 skulls in the owl pellet, and now we've cleaned them, and the best way to identify them is by the skulls and the jaws. And we've printed off this guide from the Barn Owl Trust, and we're going to have a look and see which ones we've got. I think these 2 are Common Truth, and I think that one is a house mouse. This barn must be having a good mixed diet, shrew and mouse. Hope you enjoyed learning about the barn owl pellets. I'm going to be doing a nocturnal animals Naturetastic soon. Keep your eye out for that. And with that, it's bye from Naturetastic with Henry.